Next, in the same manner, observe your mind. Don't control your thoughts. Just allow your mind and check your thoughts. Now, keep your complete attention on your breathe in and out. First, take a inhale and feel that you are inhaling. Exhale and feel that you are exhaling. Feel your every inhale and every exhale. Now let us chant Omkara. Keep your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya.
Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya.
Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya.
Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya.
Mrityorma Amrutangamaya.
Mrutyurma Amrutangamaya.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Harihi Om.
Harihi Om.
Rub your palms. Keep your palms on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Now breathe out, bend your neck towards your right. Let your right ear near to your right shoulder. Breathe in, neck straight. Breathe out, bend your neck towards your left. Let your left ear near to your left shoulder. Breathe in, come straight. Breathe out, other side. Breathe in, straight. Breathe out, other side. Head straight. Breathe in. Stretch your head back. Feel your neck. And look up. Breathe out. Neck down. Touch your chin with your chest. Breathe in. Head stretch back. Still more. Stretch back. Breathe out. Head down. Feel the pressure on your neck. Breathe in, come straight. Now, keep your hands straight, palms facing towards to the roof, fingers together. Breathe in, keep your fingertips on your shoulders and elbows up, elbows down, and breathe out and straight. Again, breathe in, keep your fingertips on your shoulders, then rise your elbows up, elbows down, and breathe out, hands. Last time, breathe in, keep your fingertips on your shoulders, then rise your elbows more, still more, look straight, breathe out, elbows down, hands. Now stretch your legs, Keep your hands down. Come to Dandasana position. Then knees up and down continuously. Breathe out, stretch your foot forward. Breathe in, back. Breathe out, stretch, still more stretch, and feel your right and left with these two foot and practice. Stretch your right feet maximum, stretch your left feet also maximum. Together you need to stretch it out. Breathe in, back, pull, pull some more, then breathe out. Have your focus on your particular part of your body which is stretching. Breathe in. Now rotation, rotate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now take your palm support and breathe in. Fold your both legs back. Let your foot on the air. It should not touch the floor. Breathe out, straight and down. Again, breathe in, fold. Breathe out, straight and down. Last time, breathe in. Breathe out. Let us practice Gatyatmak Meru Vakrasana. Twist off our spine. Maintain 3 feet gap between your feet. Keep your hands forward. Take a long breath in while breathe out. Keep your right palm on your left toe. Catch your left leg big toe. Then keep your left hand back. Turn your head and twist your spine from your left side. Look at your left hand palm. See the wonderful twist. Don't bend your knees. If you are unable to catch your big toe, just keep it on the upper side of your toes. Breathe in, come straight. Breathe out. Now keep your other palm on your other toe and keep your other hand back. Keep your fingers together and let your hand parallel to your shoulder. Twist your spine, turn your head, try to look at your back, look at your palm. Have your breathe in and out continuously. Breathe in, come straight. Breathe out, other side. This time, take your palm support, twist more, still more, twist your spine. Stay there, 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe in, come straight. Breathe out, other side. Same, take your palm support. Try to twist your spine more. Stay there for a 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come straight, hands release. Come to Dandasana position. Keep your feet together. Feel your spine. Now we are going to practice Chakya Chalanasana. Again, same gap between your both feet. Interlock your fingers. Now rotate one while inhaling back, while exhaling forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just relax. Let us practice one more time. Again, interlock your fingers. Start. 1. This time go back more and bend forward more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Now we are going to practice Ardha Matsyendrasana. Ardha Matsyendrasana is an excellent posture for your strengthening of your digestion capacity, and it also will be very useful in prevention and control of diabetes. First, we need to fold our right leg and keep your right leg next to your left leg knee. Observe teacher if anyone is having doubt. Then fold your left leg back. Now catch your right leg feet with your left hand. Raise your left hand up and try to catch your right leg foot with your left hand. Just try. If it is not possible, don't worry. Just keep it on your left knee. But make sure your abdomen will have more pressure. So how we will have pressure is, just let your bicep touch your right leg knee, press your right leg knee with your bicep of your left hand, then keep your right hand back, let your right palm on the floor firmly. Now turn your head, twist your spine from your right side, Ardha Matsyendrasana. Close your eyes and feel your body position. Let your breathe in and out continuously flows in final position. Stay there, 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. First, turn your head and turn your spine, then left hand up, right hand release, then left leg release, then right leg release. Follow my instructions and practice very easily. Now we will practice with our another leg. First, fold your left leg and keep it next to your right knee. Try to keep your left knee as much as possible straight. Let your left foot on the floor. Then fold your right leg. First, fold your right leg back. Let your right heel touch your left hip. Then breathe in, raise your right hand up. Now keep your right hand bicep on your left leg knee. Try to pressurize your left knee so that you will have more pressure on your abdomen. Then try to catch your right leg knee, or if possible left leg ankle. Try anything. Keep your left palm back. Keep it firmly on the floor. Twist your spine and turn your head. First, feel your body position. Once you come to the final position, have your regular breath in and out. Stay there for a 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. First come straight, then release your right hand, then release your right leg, then release your left leg. Now come to Baddha Konasana position. Then breathe in, raise your hands in Baddha Konasana. Stretch your spine. Look straight. Stay there, 10 numbers count. 1, Stretch your hands and spine more. Look straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe out, hands release. Interlock your fingers, catch hold of your toes. Gently close your eyes now. Let your body, in a comfortable manner, let your mind on your position of your body. Leave all other thoughts. Now, open your eyes and breathe in. Bring your both knees as much as possible together. Try to press your right elbow with your right knee. Try to press your left elbow with your left knee. Try to bring your both knees and both elbows as much as possible together. Now breathe out. Now try to stretch your knees. Give pressure on the top of your knee, both right and left. Try to stretch your hip joints. Let from your thigh and knee stretch completely towards to the downside. Have your hands positioned firmly. Breathe in again. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Still more. Try. Look straight. Feel the pressure. Breathe out. Follow the breath always. Synchronize your movement as well as your breathe in and out. Last round, breathe in. Still more, try. Still more. Breathe out. Relax. Now we are going to practice butterflies. Continuously knees up and down for 50 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Relax. Now come to relaxation position. Lie down on your abdomen. Come to Ardhavasana position. Ardhavasana is lie down on your abdomen. Keep your hands stretched towards to the front side. Toes pointing out, heels together. Touch your forehead to the floor. Gently close your eyes and observe your body position. Have deep inhale and exhale. Now we are going to practice Ardha Vihangasana. Keep your body in a straight line. Let your body firmly on the floor first. Let your forehead on the floor. Let your toes pointing out. Maintain gap between your palms, 1.5 feet. Maintain 1.5 feet gap between your palms. In the same manner, your legs, same legs pointing out, toes pointing out. Then breathe in, rise your right hand up, first right hand, then rise your head and chest up, and rise your opposite leg, left leg. Rise your right hand, rise your head, rise your chest up, and rise your left leg up from your lower thigh. Feel your position. How breathe in and out. Ardha Vihangasana. Breathe out, leg down, hand down, head down. Now breathe in, rise your left hand up, head up, chest up. Then opposite, right leg up. Try to rise it more. Breathe out, leg down, head down, hand down. Let us practice one more time. Breathe in, rise your right hand, head, chest, left leg up. Stay there, 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. down your hand, down your head and leg. Breathe in, rise your other hand, head, chest, and other leg up. Stay there, feel your body position. 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Relax your body in baby sleeping pose. Baby sleeping pose is keep your both palms in between of your head. Turn your head to any of your side, either your right or either your left, and let your elbows on the floor, both your foot together, toes pointing out. Just relax. Relaxation is the most important technique which we must practice in between of our postures so that our body will be ready for practicing next asanas. Take a long breath in and long breathe out. Try to stay there in that position in relaxed manner. Now we are going to practice Salabhasana. Breathe in, both your legs together. Keep your palms firmly on the floor, which palms touching to the floor, and keep your palms next to your thighs. Chin on the floor. Now breathe in, rise your both legs just 1 feet, not more than that. Just rise your both foot towards to your 1 foot. Let your knees also up. Feel your legs position. Breathe out, down. Don't give much pressure. Just if you are unable to lift, then practice with one leg. This is called as Salabhasana. Again, practice one more time. Breathe in, up, same 1 feet. If you are having more difficulty, try to keep your both palms to your inside. Then you can take your palm support also. Breathe out, down. Last time. Breathe in, up. Stay there. 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax and come to Advasana position. Now we are practicing. This is an excellent asana, Advasana, which will be stretching of our whole muscles of our body. Follow my instructions carefully. Touch your forehead to the floor. Now, first try to stretch your both palms. Try to walk your fingers little bit. Just observe teacher how to stretch your fingers. Try to stretch more. First your palms, then your elbows. Feel your body and stretch your shoulders. Slowly, slowly stretch your upper body towards your front. Still more, stretch. Now, stretch your toes towards to the back. Stretch your ankles. Same direction towards to your back. Right leg, left leg, like that. You need to adjust and stretch. Then your knees, then your thighs. Try to stretch your lower body towards to your opposite side is back. Stretch. Now stretch your hands some more towards to your front side. Stretch your legs some more towards to your back side. Try again with your hands. Try again with your legs. Let your spine also stretch towards to the front. Stay there. Don't hold your breathe in or out. Let it be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. So if you stretched these all things, you feel how complete relaxation once you stop your stretching. Come to baby sleeping pose. Last time. Again, adjust your head, adjust your hands. Let your forehead on the floor. Let your hands stretch towards to the front. Same technique. First stretch your palms, then stretch your elbows, then shoulders, your upper body towards to your front, your lower body towards to your back. Stretch some more. Feel your entire body. Let the stretch to the maximum more and more. One more attempt. Your hands, your legs, your spine, your thighs, your knees. Try your level best to push your hands towards to your front. Still more. Stay there. 10 numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Now relax your body. Come to Savasana position. Relax your body in Savasana. Roll onto your back. Just keep your palms next to your thighs. Both your legs together, both your hands together. Slowly roll onto your right, come to sitting position. We are going to practice Bhramari Pranayama. So day by day, try to increase the quality of your practice. You need to practice yoga like an art. We need to involve ourselves in completely into our practice. So while doing Bhramari Pranayama, try to make your hum sound more and try to listen the same sound from your inner side. Try to involve more and more to the practice. Stop your practice. Concluding prayer. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah.
Sarve Santu Niramaya.
Sarve Santu Niramayah.
Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu.
Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu.
Ma Kachid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet.
Ma Kachit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet.
Om शांति शांति शांति।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
हरिः ओम तत्सत्।
हरिः ॐ तत्सत्।
श्रीराम कृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
श्रीरामकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
Rub your palms. Keep your palms on your eyes. Spread amongst your face. Slowly open your eyes. Jai Ram Krishna.